3D Experience Works provides access to electromagnetic simulation capabilities that could expand your horizons. And since you're connecting to your team on the 3D Experience platform, you can make design decisions faster with robust collaboration around web-based, lightweight results. With Electromagnetics Engineer, you can analyze and optimize designs such as antennas, microwave components, and consumer devices. If you validate product performance virtually, you can reduce time to market and risks of malfunction. Electromagnetics Engineer is based on the industry-proven CST Studio suite. This technology includes unprecedented reliability and accuracy. It includes specialized solvers for applications such as motors, circuit boards, cable harnesses, and filters. Electromagnetics Engineer is connected to your SOLIDWORKS software out of the box and quickly deploys from the cloud. Build coupled simulations at the system level. Incorporate hybrid, multiphysics, EM, and circuit co-simulation. And you can link your models to powerful optimizers to automate design exploration. These product validation tools don't stop at electromagnetic analysis. Take on fluids, plastics, structures, and motion kinematics as well. How could you expand your horizons with advanced simulation and 3D Experience Works?